Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy pasta garlic sauce. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or when you want something flavorful with minimal effort. We'll start by gathering just a few key ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. Get ready to transform basic items into a wonderfully aromatic and satisfying dish that everyone will love. Let's dive into the steps. The secret to a great garlic sauce is how you cook the garlic. You want to infuse the oil with its flavor without burning it. Start by heating about 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil in a large skillet over medium-low heat. Once warm, add your thinly sliced or minced garlic. Cook it gently for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's fragrant and just barely golden. Avoid browning it too much as this can make it bitter. Now it's time to bring everything together. Once your pasta is al dente, reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. This liquid is crucial for creating a silky sauce. Add the cooked pasta directly to the skillet with your fragrant garlic oil. Pour in the reserved pasta water and toss everything together vigorously. The starch from the pasta water will emulsify with the oil, creating a light, flavorful sauce that clings beautifully to every strand. To finish, season your pasta generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. Give it one final toss to distribute the seasonings evenly. Serve immediately, garnished with plenty of fresh chopped parsley and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for an extra layer of flavor. This simple yet elegant dish is incredibly satisfying. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.